Republic TV has been able to access the COA letter to Hardik Pandya. The COA has written to Pandya mentioning that the proceedings under Rule 41 of the BCCI's constitution have been initiated against him for misconduct and also for indiscipline. The letter mentions that Pandya has been suspended with immediate effect and from participating in any manner whatsoever in any match, a function or event or activity that is authorized, organized, sanctioned, recognized or supported in any way by the BCCI. Shuman has been able to access that for us and he joins us on the broadcast. Shuman, what more does this letter really say, and is there any option still left for the cricketers? Can they still do anything about this, or they still have any fora to appeal?
They do not have any fora to appeal because they have also accepted, principally Pandya as well as Rahul, that they have done a mistake, and because of that they are ready to accept whatever punishment given to them. And it's quite clear from Virat Kohli's stand, in fact in the press conference he had mentioned that the views expressed by the two cricketers, they do not endorse that, and the team has completely isolated itself from the views of the two persons. So clearly the players have erred and in fact have admitted to it, and in the letter it's quite clear. And this comes from the committee of administrators headed by Vinod Rai, and Diana Adelji has also been very, very categoric that there should be suspension, and this is a provisional suspension till the time there is an inquiry, and which effectively means that their tour of Australia is over. They're coming back. Both of the players are coming back, and also the fact that they cannot participate in the New Zealand tour as well. So an inquiry which I think will take a week or so, during which period I do not think that both the players will be available for India, and they are suspended. If I can read out the letter, it says that, "Dear Mr. Pandya, you are aware that inquiry and proceedings against you in the misconduct and indiscipline have been initiated under Rule 41 of the BCCI Constitution, and the same are presently pending. In terms of Rule 41.6 of the BCCI Constitution, you are hereby suspended with immediate effect from participating in any manner whatsoever in any match or function or event or activity that is authorized, organized, sanctioned, recognized or supported in any way by the BCCI, ICC or any state associations until final adjudication of the matter." And that's coming from the Supreme Court.
And Shuman, I think that is big. That is big, but we'll have to wait and see how that story really moves from there. For the moment, thank you.